Hello, I'm Nick Wadenstow with Helios Automation, and I'm here to bring you a new machine called the Edge Lux. This is a CNC controlled polishing machine that is new to the industry and the first in its class. It is specifically designed to do any convex edge detail, including T-profile. It can miter porcelain. It can finish the mitering T-profile for a piece that's already been glued together, and you can work with it polished side up, allowing very simple movements and easy to use. So you place your piece, you lock it down, you close your clamps, you pick your edge detail, you generate your ISO, and you run your program. I can adjust my spindle speeds, I can adjust my air pressure, and has 1 diamond head and 6 polishing heads. Ball screw driven, everything is controlled. We'll bring it up so you can see it. Has an extra extension table so you can put large pieces on it, and you can leave it to work. When you come back to the part when it's finished, you take the pieces off and the finished work is done for you. So it can be 138-inch piece, up to 10 centimeter thick. Can do flat polish, full bullnose, half bullnose, T-profile, top radius, bottom radius, bevels, any convex edge details. Can grind porcelain miters, and can work top side up, measuring the thickness of the material as it works. Is stainless steel and aluminum, so no worries of rusting. Ball screw driven, vertical movements and horizontal movements. Everything is protected from the water. What's nice about this machine is with the extension table, I can take the piece from the saw, put it onto the extension table, move it to the machine, set my piece against the hard stop, clamp it down, and then perform the work. So very simple operation, and a nice extension table to come with the machine as well. For more information, please contact us. We look forward to bringing you into the Helios family.